Jai Ho children, as this is our next class, that is, in the previous class we have learned few of our electronic devices such as the CD, DVD or pen drive. This player, about this we have learned, and you have written exam also about CDs, pen drive, calculator, electronic cash machine, mobile phones, and then the Xerox machine, xerography, telephone, that is wire telephone, fax machine, and electronic voting machine, electronic diary. This much we have learnt already. So next we can study about our next topic, that is e-cards. Can you see? This is e-card, electronic card. You all know about it, right? You will be keeping status in your Facebook, in WhatsApp. You will be, Facebook also you keep, no problem. Facebook, WhatsApp statuses you will be uploading for your friends' birthdays and all, right? So this is e-card, and e-card is an electronic greeting card available online. Several online greetings card websites offer free e-cards for various occasions. You can customize the card using variety of background, text, font, messages, animation and music. So e-card means electronic greeting card. Means in mobile phone you will be making greeting card. In olden days how it was? In olden days we used to write letters, or we used to get greeting cards to greet the birthday people, or on Teachers Day, on Children Day, in Friendship Day. Friendship Day you used to give greeting card to your friend and say Happy Friendship Day. In the same way you used to greet teachers with greeting card. They were physically present. But nowadays it is all digital. So in mobile phone only you keep status and you wish Happy Friendship Day, Happy Teachers Day in the way. So what I mean to see is e-card. The cards which you make in your mobile phone, which are physically not present, but you can see it, you can feel that presence in the digital format only. But you can't touch it, you can only see. You can design it in a various manner and it will be available in digital format. So they are called as e-cards. Okay. So an e-card is an electronic greeting card available online. Several online greeting card websites offer free e-cards for various occasions. You can customize the card using variety of background. So cards will be of various kind, or only one card it will be there? No, right? Whichever card we want, whichever color we want, whichever design we want, we can just take and we can prepare a good background, and on that matter, whatever we want to wish, we can write that and we can prepare our own e-cards. Even message, whatever message we want to send for someone, that we can type and we can send it. Animation and music also we can add. If it is Mother's Day, some songs or mother like Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara, like that all songs you will be having, no? You are very good with songs, I know that. So such songs you can add to that e-card and you can post it on social media, like how I said, Facebook, WhatsApp. Most of the people will be having WhatsApp. As you are able to see this video through WhatsApp, so that status or e-cards what we prepare, we will be posting that in social medias. And even we can prepare, as it is said, with different text, with different messages, with different background, we can prepare and we can send it to our loved ones, or to whom you want to greet. For them we can send these e-cards. Okay, so here there is a example of e-card, how it looks. So here they have used one image on top of where it is like balloons, it is there, and color paper they have decorated, and it is written Happy Birthday. So it is a e-card for birthday. They have given such example. Like this we can make for Friendship Day, Mother's Day, Father's Day, Environmental Day, Independence Day. So many are there, right? So these are called as e-cards. Okay, so next It is electronic business cards. Can you see this? Electronic business cards. ನೀವು ಯಾವ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂಗಡಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರೊಂದು ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ನಿಮ್ಗೇನ್ರೆ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ನಂಬರ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವ್ರ ಅಂಗಡಿ ಹೆಸರು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಅವ್ರ ನಂಬರ್ ಇರುತ್ತ, ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತ, ಅಂಗಡಿಯೊಳಗೆ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಏನದಾವು ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ತರ ಸಾಮಾನ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾವು, ಏನೇನ್ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಅವ್ರು ಇಟ್ಟಾರು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದ್ ಸಣ್ಣ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ನ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್. ಮುಂಚೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಿದ್ವು. ಅದೇ ತರ ಇವಾಗ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವು ಅಗೇನ್ ಆಸ್ ಐ ಸೆಡ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್, ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ವರ್ಚುವಲ್. They are present in front of our eyes. They are not physical. Cards ನೋಡಿರ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ ನೀವು, ವಿಸಿಟಿಂಗ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಿದ್ರು ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಅವಾಗ. They are known as visiting cards. And these are electronic business cards where you will be having one QR code. Can you see this QR code? It is there. Okay, this kind of these black dots, this is called as QR code. If you scan this, the person and the business details and the address, it will be generated in your phone. So these are electronic business cards. So here it is explained like electronic business card is an online version of paper visiting card. E-business card lets you capture information that can be related to your work, home or educational qualification in one card. So as I said, in one card